everyone. In this video, we're going to make a homemade pie crust, and what we'll need: some flour, some water, and then 4 sticks of butter, which is equivalent to 1 pound. And then we need to measure out 2 cups of flour. And it should look something like that. So I need to look at the instructions on here. Right, and then we need to cut up this butter into the tablespoons according to here. Alright, and then to cut up the butter, we need a cutting board and a sharp knife. Right, and then we're going to take a stick of butter, and then once again, we're going to cut it along these dotted lines here. And then we're going to do that for all of the 4 sticks of butter. And then should be a tablespoon, which should look something like this, and then something like this on the side. And then you do that for the rest of these sticks. Alright, and then when the butter is all cut up, it should look something like this. And the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to take the paper off of the butter. Alright, and then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this cut up butter and we're going to put it into the flour mixture. Alright, and then let's move on to the next step. Alright, and with this part, you will need like a blender, or you can use a spoon or a meat chomper, which looks like this. And then we're going to do this with this until it's all crumbled up into pea-sized bites. And this actually looks kind of like popcorn in a way. Alright, and for this step, we are going to do this. And there's a hair in it. Until it kind of flattens out a little bit. And then with this, you want it to be as flat and level as you can get it. Okay. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Like here, I have a better idea instead. If it's like a little sticky. Oh, there's more here in it. Seriously? Yeah. I'm gonna take the flour and sprinkle it onto the table like this. Kind of level it out a little bit and like spread it out. And then we're going to take this and then knead it for a bit. And then doing this will I think might make the dough a little less sticky. Okay. And then, after you get done kneading it, you're gonna put a little bit more flour onto the table. I know this is a lot of flour I'm using. But then we are gonna put it on a table like this, and then we're going to do this. And then with this process, you want it to be as flat and level as possible. Right, and then we're going to flip it over and then do the same on the other side. And with this process, it's important that you do it so then there's a less chance of the dough sticking to the pan. Alright, and when that step is all finished up, you will need a pie dish. And then, it doesn't really matter what size you use. It depends on how big you want the pie to be. And then we are going to take some of this oil, vegetable oil spray. And then we're going to spray the pan. Okay, then after we spray that, we are going to take this dough and we're going to put this in here and then kind of form it to where it fits into the pie pan. And with this stuff, you want it to be thick, but not too thick. And you want it to be like not too thin either. And then, after it's formed in there, you can take out the extras. Just like put it off to the side for now. Then kind of do it where part of the pie crust is slightly over the edge, but not a lot. And then make sure that the pie crust is as flat and even as you can get it. Then, like if there's any like thinner spots, you can take some of like the extra stuff and put it in the thinner spots to make it like a little thicker.
You know what we do sometimes? What Grandma did. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, and then after it's in there, it's